So to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know about this.
What's up, guys? It's Nolan here. Welcome to the first video of the Tobermory trip, where we show up at the cottage and do a quick night dive. That's a pretty sweet video. Check it out. Better.
Didn't he say to call?
Did he?
Yeah, when we were a couple minutes out.
Oh, I don't know.
We're stealing the upstairs loft.
Hello, Dean. Hi, it's Chris. I just got to the cottage. Thank you.
This was a church.
Used to be, yeah. That's why we're in the cottage that was the church, and then the chapel was the little cottage that's attached to it.
Oh, yeah. There's people in there.
You know? Said Cedar Escape, right?
Yep. Cedar something.
Road.
Cedar Escape.
Yeah. Buddy Nolan?
Hey.
Nolan, how are you, buddy?
Nice to meet you.
Got the camera going?
Yeah.
Nice.
Recording up. We're doing some video and stuff for his YouTube channel.
Oh,
yeah.
Good.
Doing some dives, so it's pretty
Excellent,
cool.
excellent. Your cottage is the one next door.
Oh, all right.
That
Let's
will
move over
be
to that one.
7461,
Okay.
which is the one with the red roof right behind this.
Joke's on him, we're sleeping where we want.
Yeah, right. This didn't used to be a church.
So the other one used to be a church.
Yeah. This is the one, the dive group has stayed at this one before. I was like, I don't remember there being a pool table in it.
Well, it's bigger. That's definitely used to be a church. This place is cool.
You're hardly going to need your truck except when you take your gear down.
Yeah,
And then you come right back and park it back here, right?
And there's going to be probably 4 or 5 other vehicles. Is anybody else over?
Oh, so nice.
Yeah.
Cedar Escape Cottage.
Yeah.
Just make it work, yeah.
We got a fire pit. Yeah,
Got
just
your
like we
fire
talked
pit.
about. Is there wood that we can get anywhere around here?
Wood, yes, you'll have to go
Grocery
just
store?
down, yeah, grocery store. Check,
How much do you like
there's a
those
camping-
trees?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is awesome.
Go ahead.
It's got a swing.
There you go.
Could hang out here all day. This is cool. I like it in here.
Yeah, it's gonna be good for you guys.
This is a sick hangout for us too. I can
Yeah.
set up my
Yeah,
computer and stuff right
exactly.
here.
Cedar Escape Cottages.
Yeah,
right?
so yeah.
Do you want to
yeah.
say your phone number?
647-985-5024.
He's been
Yeah,
awesome
check it
to
out.
deal with.
Yeah, call Dean anytime.
There you
I'm
go.
here to accommodate you guys, man.
Just give me my computer area right here.
Outside there.
Yeah.
And I'll put.
Really?
That one?
Oh, this one's gonna work. I just gotta
Make it.
fix it because they don't have it routed properly.
There you go. Save the day. Hope you don't tie a boat like that.
Sure do.
Oh God.
That's why we have a captain.
Yeah.
Go see the Cedar Escape Cottages sign.
I'm locked out. Not yet. I'm locked out. It locks. We're good.
Good.
It's my room up there. Up top. It's gonna be sick. Let's get it. Let's go fill up my tanks and then get some food. This food is good.
Yeah, you're recording now.
I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe and like. Click that little notification bell as well. It'll help me out a ton, and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching the video, and I hope you spend every day fueling your own happiness.